In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Gemini chat response to Google Docs on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a response from Gemini and move it into a clean, editable document in Google Docs, perfect for saving, sharing, or collaborating. Start by opening the Gemini app on your iPhone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so everything loads smoothly. If the interface looks a little different, that's okay. App layouts can vary slightly with updates, but the core options are the same. Next, look to the top left of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens the main navigation so you can get to your conversations quickly. From here, either start a new chat or open an existing one. If you already have a conversation with the response you want, open that thread. If you're starting fresh, ask your question and wait for the response you want to export. Now find the specific Gemini response you want to export and open it so you can view it fully. It's a good idea to check that it's the exact version you want, especially if the conversation has several refinements. This ensures you export the most accurate and complete content. Once you have that response in view, scroll all the way down to the bottom of it. The export option appears beneath the response, not at the top, so be sure you've reached the end of that particular message. At the bottom, tap the three dots icon to open the More Options menu. This is where Gemini places tools related to the currently selected response, including export choices. In the menu that appears, tap Export to Docs. This will generate a new Google Doc containing the text of the response. You may see a brief loading screen. If prompted, grant permission so Gemini can create the document in your Google Drive. Having the Google Docs app installed will give you the best experience when opening the file on your iPhone. When the export is ready, tap Open and the document will launch in Google Docs. You'll now see the response formatted as a document, ready for reading or editing. If you prefer to access it later, you can also find it in your Drive under your recent files. That's it. You've successfully exported a Gemini response to Google Docs on your iPhone, keeping your work organized and easy to share or reference whenever you need it.